Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are here with an interesting batch which is nothing but subscription pricing in Salesforce CPQ. So this is also going to be the prerequisite for our Salesforce CPQ specialist certification. If you need solution for any of these challenges, playlist will be available in our channel. Do check that. Let's take up our first challenge now, which is get started with subscription pricing. So guys, this deals with signing on the developer edition org. So I will provide this video link in description. Do follow the same. So all you just need to do here is just launch this in a new tab, and you have to fill all of these details which is given over here. And for this email ID, enter your valid email ID, so that after doing all of this and while clicking upon sign me up, you will receive mail in this register mail ID. So once if it is done, you have to change your password and followed by connect org. That you can do it by clicking on this three dots and followed by connect org. You need to give your username and password. So that is all about this challenge. So as I have already done, I'm just gonna click on check challenge now. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our first challenge. So remaining challenges will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.